KOHO, banking on the go, but can you deposit on the go too? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of challenger banks, those new, tech-savvy financial institutions shaking things up for the traditional banks. Specifically, we're focusing on KOHO, a Canadian fintech company known for its sleek app and fee-free features. Now, with the rise of mobile banking, one of the biggest conveniences is the ability to deposit checks from your phone. No more scrambling to find a branch or ATM during business hours. But can KOHO keep up with this trend? Let's find out. The allure of mobile deposits. Imagine this, you get a check from grandma for your birthday. Exciting, right? But then reality hits. You have to find a bank branch or ATM that accepts deposits, and their hours might not align with your busy schedule. Frustrating, to say the least. Mobile deposit changes that game. Snap a picture of the check with your phone's camera, submit it through the app, and voila, the funds are on their way to your account. It's fast, it's convenient, and it eliminates the need for physical trips to the bank. KOHO's feature frenzy, but no mobile deposit? KOHO boasts a user-friendly app packed with features. You can track your spending effortlessly, set savings goals, and even get rewarded for achieving them. Plus, they say goodbye to monthly account fees, a major pain point with traditional banks. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? But here's the catch. As of today, KOHO does not offer mobile check deposits. That's right, the convenience factor takes a bit of a hit here. KOHO knows you want it, and they might be working on it. This isn't to bash KOHO. They're a young company with a focus on innovation, and mobile deposit is clearly a feature their users crave. In fact, on their help section, they acknowledge this request and mention they're exploring ways to bring it to their members. There's even a section where you can upvote the request, sending a strong message to the KOHO team. Alternatives for KOHO users. So, what are your options if you're a KOHO user stuck with a physical check? Here are a couple. Deposit at an ATM. Many ATMs accept check deposits these days. Just be sure your KOHO card is compatible and check for any fees associated with ATM deposits. Visit a partner bank branch. KOHO has partnered with some physical banks. You might be able to deposit your check there, although fees or restrictions could apply. It's always best to check with KOHO beforehand. KOHO, still a strong contender. The lack of mobile deposit might be a drawback, but that shouldn't overshadow KOHO's strengths. Their focus on fees, user experience, and innovative features makes them a compelling choice, especially for those who are comfortable with alternative deposit methods. The final verdict, and a look to the future. KOHO isn't there yet with mobile deposits, but their commitment to member feedback is encouraging. They might be the frontrunner to introduce this feature among challenger banks in Canada. In the meantime, explore your alternative deposit options and keep an eye on KOHO's updates. They're a company to watch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and keep your finances on track.